Good morning all. In today's lecture, in today's video of business studies, I will discuss the continuing topic 14 principles of management by Henry Ford. Here is the last principle, 14 and last principle of management by Henry Ford. The name of principle is Esprit de Corps. It is another language word, not a Oxford dictionary word. So spelling is ESPRIT DECORPS, Esprit de Corps. So it's the pronunciation Esprit de Corps. It simply means teamwork. In our Oxford dictionary or American dictionary, it means teamwork. This principle says there must be cooperation, coordination, and teamwork among the members of organization in working. Same is written over here. Management must encourage and promote team spirit. Okay. Just underline this. It is an important statement. Esprit de corps means team spirit, unity and harmony. Harmony means peace. This will bring coordination and cooperation. Coordination means teamwork. Cooperation means help or support. In organization, a manager should replace I with we. Yes, it is important to note down. Esprit de corps means to replace I with we. मैं को हम से replace कर दो means individualism must be replaced with cooperation, because every worker is the part of organization. So maybe they are having different works, but their objective should be same, just to be the part of organization and to do better for organization. So this principle says replacement of I with we. This will give rise to mutual trust and belongingness among team members. It will minimize the need for using penalties. Example, if the production manager assigned a target of manufacturing 100 units to a group of 10 members, okay, means management has given a task to produce 100 units of any product to 10 workers, means single worker has to produce only 10 units. Divide 100 by 10, it will be 10. So divided the target among themselves to produce 10 units each. Okay. Principle of Esprit de Corps or teamwork says that each member of group should not concentrate only on achieving his target of 10 units, but they must cooperate or concentrate on achieving group target of 100. Yes. As management has given 10 units to produce for each worker, so Esprit de Corps says your target is not just to produce 10 units, but you have to produce total 100 units for your organization. It's called Esprit de Corps. Okay. So if two workers of the group fall sick, means they are unable to work, so somebody must take their work just to cooperate them. Okay, then other 8 members must divide their individual target among themselves and try to achieve the target of their group also. Yeah, means 10 people are there. Each and every person has to achieve target of 10 units, and total they have to produce 100 units. But if 2 persons are sick, they are unable to work, then the remaining 8 persons must also divide the work of 6 people and to achieve the whole target of 100 units for organization. This is called replacing I with we. This is a concept of team spirit, teamwork, coordination and cooperation. So here we have completed all 14 principles of management given by Henry Ford. It is very, very important topic. It is very useful for your external examination, for board, for pre-board, for any other kind of examination. Also, you can also take this topic for your project also. It is also the topic of your project for BST. So you can select this topic for making project. Okay, thank you for today.